offering an ideal solution for last-mile connectivity and urban logistics. Whether it is used for passenger transport or goods delivery, this vehicle provides excellent value for money. One of the key aspects of the Mahindra Jeeto van is its compact size. Designed to navigate through congested city roads and narrow lanes, it ensures seamless transportation even in high-traffic areas. The small turning radius makes it highly maneuverable, allowing drivers to handle tight corners and narrow streets effortlessly. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses operating in crowded urban areas where larger vehicles face difficulties in accessibility. Fuel efficiency is another significant highlight of the Mahindra Jeeto van. Equipped with an advanced engine, it delivers impressive mileage, which is crucial for business owners looking to minimize operational costs. The diesel and CNG variants provide flexibility, allowing users to choose the option that best suits their needs. The CNG version is particularly beneficial for those who prioritize eco-friendliness and lower running costs. In terms of performance, the Mahindra Jeeto van is built to handle various loads while maintaining stability and efficiency. The vehicle's suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on rough and uneven roads. The well-engineered chassis and body structure contribute to its durability, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Comfort and safety are not compromised in the Mahindra Jeeto van. The interior is designed to offer a comfortable experience for both the driver and passengers. The ergonomic seating arrangement reduces fatigue, making it ideal for long hours of driving. Additionally, features such as seat belts, a sturdy body frame, and efficient braking systems enhance safety, providing peace of mind to users. Another advantage of the Mahindra Jeeto van is its low maintenance cost. The vehicle is designed with durable components that require minimal upkeep, reducing the overall expenditure for owners. Spare parts are readily available, and Mahindra's extensive service network ensures that maintenance and repairs are hassle-free. This aspect makes it an attractive choice for entrepreneurs looking for a cost-effective transport solution. Versatility is one of the defining characteristics of the Mahindra Jeeto van. It can be used for multiple purposes, ranging from school transportation and employee commuting to goods delivery and commercial applications. Its adaptable design makes it suitable for various industries, including retail, logistics, and hospitality. Businesses that require frequent transportation of small loads find the Jeeto van to be an ideal solution due to its practicality and efficiency. The affordability of the Mahindra Jeeto van further adds to its appeal. Compared to other vehicles in its category, it offers excellent value for money. The competitive pricing, combined with its features and efficiency, makes it a preferred choice for small business owners and fleet operators. Financial assistance and easy financing options provided by Mahindra make it even more accessible to a wider audience. The Mahindra Jeeto van also stands out in terms of environmental sustainability. With the introduction of CNG and BS6 compliant diesel variants, the company has ensured that the vehicle meets stringent emission norms while maintaining performance standards. The reduced carbon footprint makes it a responsible choice for businesses that are conscious of their environmental impact. In addition to its practical features, the Mahindra Jeeto van boasts a modern design. The stylish exterior, with sleek lines and an appealing front grille, gives it a contemporary look. This aesthetic appeal makes it an attractive option for businesses that want to maintain a professional image. Technological advancements in the Mahindra Jeeto van add to its functionality. Features such as digital instrument clusters, enhanced lighting systems, and advanced braking mechanisms ensure a modern driving experience. The focus on innovation makes it a future-ready vehicle, capable of meeting the evolving needs of the transportation sector. The vehicle's payload capacity is another crucial aspect that sets it apart from competitors. Designed to carry significant loads without compromising on fuel efficiency, it is a reliable choice for businesses that require regular transportation of goods. The spacious cargo area ensures that a variety of items can be transported with ease, making it an indispensable asset for delivery services. For passenger transport, the Mahindra Jeeto van offers ample space, ensuring a comfortable journey for occupants. The well-cushioned seats, adequate legroom, and proper ventilation enhance the overall travel experience. This makes it a preferred choice for schools, companies, and shared mobility services that prioritize passenger comfort. Durability and longevity are at the core of the Mahindra Jeeto van's design. The robust build quality ensures that the vehicle can withstand daily wear and tear, providing consistent performance over the years. This reliability makes it a long-term investment for businesses that rely on continuous transportation services. The after-sales service provided by Mahindra adds to the overall appeal of the Jeeto van. With service centers located across the country, owners can easily access maintenance and repair services. The availability of genuine spare parts ensures that the vehicle remains in optimal condition, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. The resale value of the Mahindra Jeeto van is another factor that makes it a smart investment. Due to its reputation for reliability and efficiency, it retains its value well in the second-hand market. Business owners looking to upgrade or expand their fleet can benefit from good resale returns, making it a financially viable choice. User feedback and customer reviews highlight the satisfaction of Mahindra Jeeto van owners. Many users appreciate its fuel efficiency, affordability, and low maintenance costs. The positive word of mouth and growing popularity indicate that it is a trusted vehicle in the commercial segment. The Mahindra Jeeto van continues to evolve with advancements in technology and customer preferences. As the demand for efficient and affordable transport solutions increases, Mahindra is likely to introduce further improvements and innovations in future models. This commitment to excellence ensures that the Jeeto van remains a relevant and competitive option in the market. Overall, the Mahindra Jeeto van is a well-rounded vehicle that offers a perfect blend of efficiency, affordability, and reliability. Its compact design, fuel efficiency, and versatility make it an ideal choice for various commercial applications. With a strong focus on customer satisfaction, Mahindra has created a vehicle that meets the demands of modern transportation while ensuring cost-effectiveness and sustainability. For business owners, transport operators, and fleet managers, the Jeeto van is a valuable asset that enhances operational efficiency and profitability.